All right, on my way to get my hair done, because guess where I'm going? Paris. And guess who's going with me? Taking the kids with me. So Journey's getting her hair done as well. I washed my hair. I didn't have to wash my hair because my braider, she washes my hair, but I kind of made a last minute decision to get my hair braided, so I'm trying to help her out, and I wash and condition my hair for her. All right, can't wait. J'attends Paris, you know. So here is the after. I got 4 butterfly braids, and they're super pretty and cute. Then Journey got her natural hair twisted. She looks adorable, yes. And then Jasir had to get his hair cut. Next up, I went to my favorite nail spot to get my toes and my nails done. So that was lovely because I hadn't been there in a while. So I just got pink no chip on my nails, and it turned out really pretty. Then my nail tech noticed that I was using my phone, and she placed that phone stand there for me. So I was like, thank you, girl. So I had to tip her well. Then it was off to do some shopping because my kids did not have any clothes for Paris. They had grown out of everything, and I had to literally get everything. Clothes, underclothes, socks, shoes. Like, it was a lot. So off to go shopping we went. Next stop, Target, to get some traveling essentials. That Naturium body butter is everything. I really, really like that. I was so happy that they had a mini size version. All right, then my next stop was off to the bank to get some euros because I actually went to Paris last time with no euros, and I was super salty because I wanted to buy something and the machine was down. And I couldn't get a croissant. Not again, not again. All right, and the last stop before we get to this airport is Dollar Tree. Because guess what? I'm not buying $20 bags of chips at the airport. So we're going to go up in here. We're going to get our $1.25 snacks, and we're going to be happy. This is definitely a pro tip if you have children. And actually, the Dollar Tree has healthy snacks as well. And I really, really love the plantain chips that they have. Not the salty, but the sweet ones. Okay, only the sweet ones. Those are super, super good. And they're healthy. So I really enjoy getting snacks from the Dollar Tree. I also really like that the snacks come in smaller packaging at the Dollar Tree, which makes it feel a little bit healthier. When the kids are getting like their junk snacks, it's not going to be as big as if you were to get it from another store. So I let them get a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then we are off.